You are welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to upload a large file to your Google Drive account. Now, I've seen a lot of people try to use the mobile app and with mobile data to upload large files to their Google Drive account. Usually, the problem that comes up is waiting for network. If you do a Google search, you will see that lots of people are having that problem, waiting for network. And this tutorial is going to show you a simple solution to this problem. Now, before I go ahead with this tutorial, I want you to subscribe to this channel, and I also want you to like this video and share with your friends. So the simple solution is for you to go to your Chrome browser. Go to your Chrome browser on your mobile app, then visit drive.google.com. You can see that on the browser up there, drive.google.com. That is, you want to access Google Drive through your Chrome browser. You want to access it through your Chrome and not with your mobile app. So when you get to that particular website, you will be able to see this. But the problem here is that you won't see the new button where you can click to upload a file or a folder. You can see that that is not here on your screen. So the solution to that is for you to go to this three vertical dots and enable the desktop. Enable the desktop version of Chrome. You can see that again. I have been able to enable, you can see it down here, been able to enable the desktop site version of Chrome. When you do that, you will be able to see that new button. You can see it on top here, the new button. Then what you need to do is to click the new button and click file upload. Click file, then you will be able to go to your inside your mobile phone, the storage inside your mobile phone, to pick up any file you want to upload. With this, you'll be able to upload a large file to your Google Drive account without the problem of waiting for network. I believe you love this tutorial, and just like I said, you should subscribe to this channel and share this video with your friends on social media. Thank you very much.